Hey all, David Salazar here, and thank you for coming to my Facebook group and checking out our videos on tips and pointers that will help out motorcyclists in the state of Texas. Full disclosure guys, I did not make this list up. I want to be honest with you and tell you that I am part of another Facebook group. Actually, I'm part of several Facebook groups regarding motorcyclists and how to stay safe, and I simply asked a question in one of those groups on what I can tell you guys as far as tips and pointers that I have not thought of so that you guys can stay safe on the road. So without further ado, I asked this and I got an overwhelming response, and today I'm actually gonna name about half of them because I wanna save the rest for some other time. But I basically asked this. I said, hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, can you please give me some tips and pointers that I can relate to my group that I haven't thought of yet? It can be anything that's a little detail or an obvious thing or something that's very minute. So here's what I got. They said always ride faster than the car in front of you and always watch the road. So Rick Ride, Caleb actually told me this one, and he said in Texas, you got to be careful because there's a lot of drivers out there who are just not cautious, for lack of better terms. So another one I have here is never brake or let off the throttle when making tight corners. It can make your tires lose traction, and if you do have to hit the brakes, make sure the bike is upright and not leaned over. So that's another one that I think is actually a good pointer that I had not pointed out to you guys before. Another one that I have here is take advanced lessons, such as a place in Dallas called ProRiderDallas.com. And evidently, this is a great place to get advanced training. They also have a blog related to that called McRider.com as well. So guys, if you haven't done something like that and you're interested in staying safe, please go check that out. I have not done so myself, but from what I've read online as far as the reviews go, it's gotten glowing reviews. So another one that I have here, or two more that I have here, is you must have eyes in the back of your head. I couldn't agree with that more. That's something you got to be super cautious of your surroundings, especially behind you, because as another person wrote on here, you are basically invisible on the road. And since you are invisible on the road, you need to be the defensive driver, and you need to make sure that you are doing everything to keep yourself safe because no one else is. So the final one that I have on here is keep your head on a swivel, ride left on freeways, steer clear of grass clippings on roadways, and fill your tank before you head out on a ride. And always have an escape route. So these are things that we've kind of glossed over in the past with different videos, but I think when you hear it from other people, it just kind of re-emphasizes those types of things. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the first few pointers that I wanted to give out that other experienced motorcyclists have given to me. Let me know what your thoughts are on these. Tell me if you have any additional things. I'd like to thank everybody who gave me some insight on this, and also we always welcome more safety tips. If you have anything else to contribute, please do so. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Please go check out our YouTube page as well. We also have more videos on there. Stuff that's not always on here, so it may be helpful as well. I look forward to talking to you guys. My name is David Salazar, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.